everyone. So the main agenda of this video, we are going to discuss how are we going to export the Google Cloud billing details into BigQuery, and from the BigQuery we are going to integrate it with the Looker Studio. So first thing first, you should be having the billing admin access. Once you click on the top three horizontal line, you'll see the billing. Click on the billing and then choose the billing accounts. Once this is done, on the left side you will see the option called billing export. Once you click on the billing export, you may be seeing the option standard users cost, detailed users cost. So let me click on this. I'm going to set this thing up on this project, and I don't have any data set. What I will do, I'll create one BigQuery dataset. So I click here, I open the BigQuery, and this is the BigQuery. If this is the first time you are going to open, it will ask you to enable the BigQuery API. Just enable that, and then you will be able to see this option. Let me create one dataset. I'll just give the name billing. I'm going to choose the multi-region, US, multiple regions in United States. Okay, cool. I'll click on this. This is done. Let me again click on billing export, and I'm going to click on edit settings. I'm going to choose my TagSpecialist. If you want, if you're confused with the project name where you are right now, what you will do, you go here, click on cloud overview, and here you can see the project ID, and here you can see the project name and the project number. So I'm going to implement on this project ID. So I'll click on billing, and I'm going to click on the billing export, edit settings. I'm going to choose TagSpecialist, and I just created the dataset billing, right? I choose this. I'm going to click on save. So the table is going to be inside this dataset. I'm going to implement the detailed users cost also. I'm going to change the project ID, dataset, click on save, done. Okay, I think this is going to take some time. We are going to wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, so after some time, I can see the tables has been imported. And here I can see the GCP billing export resource, and the second one is export v1. And if you see the documentation, you can see structure of standard data export. Here we export v1. So I think this is the one which is structured standard data. And for detailed data, I think I can go and refer the export refer. Let's do the double confirmation here. Yeah, I can see this export data. Cool. So now here I can see the schema, and if you click on the preview, you can see all the table and your project name, project numbers. Awesome. This I was looking for. Now, as a next step, what I'll do, I'll open the Looker Studio. I'll go there and I click on blank report, and then I need to choose the data, connect to the data. Once you click on connect to data, click on the BigQuery, and here I need to choose the project. I already know the project. I click on my data set, and now I can see the export and export v1. So I'm going to use this one because this is the detailed uses detailed, what do we call that, detailed data export. So I'm going to use this table for now. I click on add, and okay. Now here I can see the dimension is billing account ID. What I'll do, I'll choose the project name. So here's my project name. I'll over this here. I don't need the billing account ID, and I would need uh, like to see the cost, for example. So I click on the matrix cost, and I can see my project name and what is the cost associated. For now I just have two projects, so but in your case it may be more. And for example, if I would like to see what services I'm using, I can choose that. So let me see, resource name, service description. I click on service description here. So now I can see for Cloud Run how much was the cost. Cloud SQL, artifact registry is none. So here you can see all the service description, what I've been using and what is the cost associated with that. If you want to control the date, I'll come and click here and you will see the date range control. Click here and then you would be connect this uh, connect connect this the table and then click on, yeah, and let's say if I change the date range, click on the preview. If I change the date range, let's say just for one day, some January 21st, I can see the cost. We hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just let me know on the comment box and I'm happy to assist and look into your comments. Thank you so much.